Hi everyone, this is Adira Raj from Access Language School. In this video, I'll be discussing with you about some phrases or words that you can use to describe a strong liking. That means when you like something very much and you want to express that. In that case, you can use these phrases. So the first one is, I'm particularly fond of. So when you use this phrase, it means that you are actually specifying a strong liking. For example, I like chocolates and ice creams, but I am particularly fond of chocolates. Then the next one is, I'm absolutely crazy about. That means when you like something very much or when you are really crazy about something, you can use this phrase. For example, I'm absolutely crazy about sneakers, or I'm absolutely crazy about watches. The third one is, I'm really into it. So you can use this phrase like, I'm really into fashion these days. So when you suddenly start looking fashionable and with trendy accessories, your friends would be saying that you are really into fashion these days. Then next one is, I'm a big fan of. When you like something very much, you can use this phrase like, I'm a big fan of cricket, or I'm a big fan of melody songs, like that. Then next is, you can't beat a. So here beat is used in terms of performance. That means when something exceeds in terms of performance, here the beat comes the meaning. For example, last day I went to a restaurant to have my dinner and they gave the best service. So I will be saying about them like, no one can beat the service at that restaurant. Then the last one is, there is nothing I like more than. For example, there is nothing I like more than dancing. That means, I really love dancing or I really enjoy dancing. So, dancing is the first one that you like most and the others will follow it. So, when you want to mention something on your top list, you can use this phrase. I hope these phrases will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.